Hi guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Madison. So in today's video I'm gonna be switching it up a little bit. As you could probably tell from the background, I'm just like sitting on my floor, but I wanted to do a what I eat in a day today. It's obviously gonna be vegan meals. I've been vegan for 3 years, so don't come for me with like the whole you need protein, you're gonna die, you need meat, meat's essential. Like, no, I'm fine, I'm living. Each individual person's diet is specific to them, and what they choose to eat makes them feel good, or, you know, it's just what they want to eat. So my diet, what I'm eating every day, it might not work for you, but it works for me. I wanted to make this just as some inspiration for you guys if you're thinking of going vegan, or if you just want some fun, fresh recipes. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you might not know this because it's something that I've talked about on there before. Haven't talked about it on my YouTube channel. I did struggle with an eating disorder for a very large portion of my like teenage life, and I'm not really gonna get super into it here and all of that stuff, but if you guys do want like more in-depth talk video on that, I can do that if it will help you guys. This video is kind of to show you guys what I've been doing in recovery, how I use veganism to really jumpstart that and get me to a healthy place. I'm eating more mindfully, I'm definitely more comfortable eating, and I just really wanted to make this video because I wanted to show you guys that recovery is possible, and if you're struggling with something like this, you just have to find things that work for you, and maybe what I'm doing is like the complete opposite of what you want to do, and that's okay. But I'm just making this video for inspiration for you guys to maybe jumpstart your recovery or jumpstart maybe a healthy eating journey. If you guys ever need to reach out, I will have links below for you, or you can always reach out to me if you just want to chat and you need somebody to reach out to. I'm your girl. I've been through it. I know how it is, and it's really hard. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. I do want to just put a disclaimer on this video that I'm not trying to be like, you need to eat like me, you need to do this, you have to be vegan. Like, no, do what works for you, girl. If this doesn't work for you, don't do it. Really, at the end of the day, you don't have to eat what the person in the video is eating. So this is just like a reference, a fun little video, and I really hope it helps you guys. I hope you enjoy it. That is my disclaimer. Yeah, so let's just get started with breakfast. I'm super hungry. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes of life that I make almost every morning. But don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it, just like it. If you don't enjoy it, whatever you want to do, girl, it's up to you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos, lifestyle, sustainability, thrifting, veganism, beauty. It's all here. It's all here. Do you guys want to say good morning to my puppy? He's really sleepy today too. This is Cooper for all of you who don't know. He's a little chunky Chihuahua miniature pinscher mix. He's so precious. He is like more or less a cat. Like, he really acts like a cat. So for breakfast, I am going to have avocado toast. It's my favorite thing. It's super nutritious, keeps me really full. Cue the ASMR vegetable chopping. Alright guys, so this is meal number 1. I added my leftover lemon to my water. So I have a fruit bowl, avocado toast with some vegan cheese. I thought I would try it. I've actually never tried vegan cheese on avocado toast before. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I'll do a little taste test moment for you. Lots of superfoods in here, which is great. So super nutritious. amazing as always. Alright, so I did like a teeny tiny workout, not even workout, I did some stretching, some deep breathing, meditating, more like yoga vibes. And now I have to get to work, so I'm gonna be shooting some Depop stuff at home. When I worked at Sephora, I had no flexibility with my schedule and basically had like one day off a week. Now my job allows so much flexibility and I can work when I feel like working, so I'm really, really thankful for that. There's basically clothes everywhere because I just got done working. But as you saw, I had a little snack to hold me over. I had that snack, it's about 2 o'clock, so I'm probably gonna eat pretty soon. I was thinking of making like a really big vegan baked mac and cheese tonight. Sounds like a plan, but it also sounds like a lot of work and I don't want to do that. And my last little lunch moment, it was an English muffin with vegan cream cheese that I kind of like DIY'd. So I used the Kite Hill brand and I put that on the English muffin with a little bit of chives on top, and I also had some little cherry tomatoes on the side that I didn't show. It is a beautiful evening. I really wanted to get out of the house today. So I'm at this juice place right now called Urban Roots. I'll show you. That's it. It's my favorite place, and I think I'm gonna get a green juice or a smoothie or something, and then I'm gonna go home and make my mac and cheese since it's getting late. I'm gonna have dinner and then I'm probably gonna have like 10 more snacks after that. So let's get to the juice place. I'm so excited. So this is my smoothie. It's a paper straw, don't roast me. When I'm not really feeling like a big meal for lunch, I always love to have a nutrient-packed smoothie. So this has a whole avocado, a ton of kale, spinach, almond milk, agave, and I added hemp protein as well. There's also a little bit of peanut butter. It's very, very thick. It is packed with superfoods, so this is so good. Oh, and also has goji berries in it. So I just had my mac and cheese and I think I mastered my recipe. I'm so excited. I'm gonna link, well, it's not my recipe, so I'm gonna link the recipe, like the video that I use for my mac and cheese, in the description box because it's literally amazing, but I kind of showed you a little bit. I'm gonna have one little snack before bed. These are my favorite vegan snacks. Divvy's vegan and nut-free brownie cookie sandwich. These are my favorite. I eat them all the time whenever I want something chocolatey and good. I know that a lot of people are probably going to be like counting my calories like behind the screen of their phone. They'll be like, I'm going to count this to make sure, whatever. I decided to count them today and I had more than enough calories, more than enough food. I really did good today, so I'm really proud of myself. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the night here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. So it was definitely different for me, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you want me to do more of these. And don't forget to check out my last video as well, and I will see you guys next time. I love you all so much. Have a great rest of your day. Bye guys.